perfect, but we're perfect, that's the issue. But your hurts behind the curtains, that's a big truth. Things ain't what they seem. Be mindful of what you believe. Issues. Nobody's perfect, but we're perfect, that's the issue. But your hurts behind the curtains, that's a big truth. Things ain't what they seem. Be mindful of what you believe.
Come on guys, it's currently 5:34 a.m. I just made it to the employee parking lot, heading inside the terminal. The struggle to wake up this morning, oh my gosh, but we have to go to work. I will catch up with you on the next clip. Hi guys, it is a few hours later. Welcome to Vancouver, British Columbia. It felt like a long day because the flight was delayed like 1 hour. We had some type of mechanical issues, and the crew, very chill crew. The passenger, even with the delayed passengers, they were still friendly, and the flight overall was good. We had quite a lot of turbulence. When we did our first service, actually the captain told us to sit down because it was quite bumpy, and half an hour before we land in Vancouver, we had to sit down. We had to secure cabin early because we were expecting turbulence. Besides the turbulence, overall it was just a good flight. I am here for the next probably 20 hours. I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna do because I'm looking outside. It looks very cloudy. I don't see the sign of the sun. I'm just gonna remove this uniform, try to relax, maybe call my mom, call my sibling, and then just take it easy on this day here in Vancouver. A few hours later, welcome to Vancouver, British Columbia.
Let alone like someone completely foreign.
The weather is actually really nice, and it's not raining anymore, so I just decided to go out and just walk a little bit, even though I was really struggling to go out, but at least getting some walk, do a little bit of exercise since I didn't go to the gym. So this is it for Vlogtober day number 4. It is currently 5:46 p.m. in Vancouver, but technically it's 8:46 p.m. in my body because I started my day at 4 a.m. So I'm just gonna walk back to the hotel, iron my uniform, and then get ready tomorrow. I will see you later.
Be a man, fool of what you believe.